Hello and welcome back. This is not sponsored by HelloFresh, but yeah, we do order HelloFresh, and tonight we are going to make teriyaki sesame glazed chicken thighs. It's so convenient, you order online with the app, so on your phone, ordering, and then pick out, how many meals you want for how many people, and like we get it delivered on a Monday. So it's very, very convenient. So we've got meals for the whole week. So today we've got all our ingredients here. You can see we've got the potatoes, we've got teriyaki sauce, sesame seeds. What have we got there?
Lime.
A lime. What's this?
Is it bacon?
It's chicken. And these are the young pea pods. And we've got green beans. So we're going to get to it. And we shall show you what it's like at the end and see if we can match what's on here. There we go. So it's very, very easy to follow. So all the details are on here, and here it actually tells you how much you need, and if you need anything from the pantry, it tells you what you need as well. So let's get to it.
Trim the ends.
Yep.
Yeah, I get
The kids always love helping to do some cooking. Just be very careful with the knife. It's sharp. So Clive's done this a few times, so we do trust him. But always keep a good eye on them.
That hurts. It's because it's nearly empty.
That's done a lot today. She's done the room. She's done cycling as well.
There you go. That is our HelloFresh meal ready. How is it?
Good.
Good? Yeah? Nice. Enjoy! So don't forget, if you want HelloFresh, this isn't sponsored by HelloFresh. Yeah, we're just doing it because we do like their meals. So much flavour, so much differences in there, and it's quite easy to follow. So every Tom, Dick, and Harry can do it, just like me.